Hello students, myself Professor S.P. Singla. Today we will take another topic of class 1 physics, motion in a plane. Today we will take projectile fired at an angle with horizontal. Projectile fired at an angle with horizontal. This is also called surface to surface projection. Okay. So let us consider a projectile which is fired at an angle theta with the horizontal. It will follow a path like this. Suppose it is fired with a velocity u, initial velocity u, making an angle theta with the horizontal from point on the ground. Taking O as origin, so we can resolve u along two directions. That is, horizontal direction, its component is u cos theta, and its component in the vertical direction is u sin theta. That is, the initial velocity u can be resolved along two directions, u cos theta and u sin theta. So where in horizontal direction what is the component ux? U cos theta, and in vertical direction the initial component of velocity is u sin theta. इसमें जो u cos theta, since no force is acting in the horizontal direction, once the particle is thrown, no force is acting in the horizontal direction, so the horizontal component of velocity u cos theta remains constant throughout the flight of projectile. तो u cos theta it remains same. यहाँ पे भी वैल्यू क्या होगी u cos theta. At the highest point horizontal component is u cos theta. Here it is u cos theta. और जब लैंड करेगा then also it is u cos theta. Now, first is equation of path. You have to calculate the equation of path or trajectory. What is the equation of path or trajectory of the projectile? Projectile की equation of path क्या होगी या trajectory क्या होगी? For this, in horizontal direction, in horizontal direction, what is ux, u cos theta? What is ax? 0. Acceleration in horizontal direction is 0 because no force is acting in the horizontal direction. So what is the position of the particle at any time t? Position of particle at any time t is x is equal to uxt plus 1 by 2 ext square. That is x is equal to u cos theta t plus 1 by 2 0 into t square. That is x is equal to u cos theta into t. This is equation number 1. Then in vertical direction, में क्या होगा? What is uy? Initial velocity in the y direction, u sin theta. What is acceleration in y direction? Minus g, because the particle is going up and g is always in the downward direction. Ay is equal to minus g. What is y is equal to u by t 1 by 2 a by t square. That is y is equal to u sin theta into t minus 1 by 2 gt square. This is equation number 2. Now we have to eliminate t from 1 and 2. From first, t is equal to x upon u cos theta. Put in equation 2. Put in equation 2, so we get y is equal to u sin theta into u sin theta into x upon u cos theta minus 1 by 2 g t square. T square means x square upon x upon u cos theta whole square. So this is equal to, here u cancel with u, this becomes x sin theta upon cos theta is x tangent theta minus 1 by 2 gx square upon u square cos square theta. So this is the equation of path. This is equation of path. And this is, what is this? This is a quadratic in x. Okay. A quadratic in x है. This is also, so what is this equation? This is equation of a parabola. That is why the path followed by a projectile is always parabolic. The path followed by a projectile thrown at an angle with hydrogen, thrown at or fired, I can add fired at an angle with horizontal is always parabolic path. Next question is maximum height, that is h. What is the maximum height attained by the projectile? This is the maximum height attained by the projectile. When the projectile is at maximum height is represented by h. At the highest point, the horizontal component of velocity is u cos theta. That is Vx is equal to u cos theta. And what is Vy? Vy is 0 in the vertical direction. At the highest point, the vertical component of velocity is 0. Okay. So we will consider motion in vertical direction. So what is Uy? Uy is u sin theta. What is Vy? 0. What is Ay? Minus g. And what is y? That is y means what is the height attained by the particle? The height attained by the particle is capital H. So using the formula Vy square minus Uy square is equal to 2ay into y. So Vy square is 0 square minus Uy square. Uy square is u square sin square theta is equal to minus 2gh. From here what is h? Minus cancel with minus. H is u square sin square theta upon 2g. In considering motion in vertical direction, what is the initial velocity in the y direction? U sin theta. What is the final velocity in the y direction? 0. What is Ay? Acceleration. Acceleration is in the y direction is gravity always acts in the downward direction. Particle is going up, so it is minus c. And what is y? Height attained by the particle, that is h. So formula Vy square minus Uy square is equal to 2ay. Put कर दे इसमें, we get h is equal to u square sin square theta upon 2g. So this is the formula for maximum height attained by the particle. H is equal to u square sin square theta upon 2g. The next point is time of flight. What is the time of flight? What is time of flight of the projectile? Time of flight, I am taking the same figure. What is time of flight? Time of flight is time taken by the projectile from this point to the point of landing. That is, suppose this point is A. So what is the vertical displacement of the particle as it goes from A to Y? A to Y जाएगा, हम in vertical direction लेंगे. In vertical direction from O to A. Vertical direction from O to A. What is the vertical displacement? 0, because particle returns at the same level, no displacement. So what is uy? It is u sin theta. What is ay? It is minus g, and time of flight is capital T. So using y is equal to u by t plus 1 by 2 a by t square. Put value of y, 0 is equal to u by u sin theta into capital T minus 1 by 2 g t square. So bring this to this side. 1 by 2 g t square is equal to u sin theta into t. So 1 t cancel with this t, so we get t is equal to 2u sin theta upon g. So this is the formula for time of flight. Okay, so in considering motion in vertical direction from O to A, particle O से चला A पे आ गया. What is displacement in y direction? 0. What is the initial velocity in y direction? U sin theta. What is the acceleration due to gravity? Minus g. And total time of flight होता है capital T. So y is equal to u by t half a by t square. Y is 0. U by u sin theta capital T minus a by is minus g 1 by 2 g t square. इस टर्म को इस तरफ ट्रांसपोज कर दो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, एक टी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, टी की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2u sin theta अपॉन g. तो दिस इज द फार्मूला फॉर टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट. दैट इज, आई एम राइटिंग इट अगेन, t इज इक्वल टू 2u sin theta upon g. This is formula for time of flight. That is horizontal range. What is horizontal range? The horizontal distance covered by the particle from point of projection to the point of landing. This is called horizontal range. Okay. So what is horizontal range? It is represented by capital R. Okay. It is the distance covered by the projectile from the point of projection to the point of landing in the horizontal direction. So what is horizontal range? Is equal to horizontal component of velocity. It is covered by horizontal component of velocity into time of flight. That is, horizontal component of velocity is u cos theta into time of flight is t. That is u cos theta into 2u sin theta upon g. So this is u square into 2 sin theta cos theta upon g. This is u square cos theta upon g. Cos in trigonometry sin 2 theta. In trigonometry, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So this formula becomes u square sin 2 theta upon g, and range is represented by capital R. Capital R is equal to u square sin 2 theta upon g. This is formula for horizontal range. The horizontal range means the horizontal distance covered by the projectile from the point of projection to the point of landing. It is represented by capital R. In the why it covers horizontal distance? Due to horizontal component of velocity, which is constant. If distance is covered with a constant velocity, then what is displacement? किसके बराबर होती है? Velocity into time. That is horizontal component of velocity into time of flight. Horizontal component of velocity is u cos theta. Capital time is capital T. तो यहाँ का u cos theta 2u sin theta, u into u square 2 sin theta cos theta. And in trigonometry sin 2 theta होता है 2 sin theta cos theta. तो 2 sin theta cos theta की जगह sin 2 theta हमने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. It becomes u square sin 2 theta upon g, which is the formula for horizontal range. Next is velocity of projectile at any time. Next is velocity of projectile at any velocity of projectile at any time. किसी टाइम पे भी प्रोजेक्टाइल की वेलोसिटी क्या होगी?